Jerry, hey. That's real cool what you did for me in there at the blackboard. You know, that's what I was talking about when I just said watching out for each other, you know? You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
Oh, there's not gonna be any more back scratching, Teddy. That's the last time that happens. And what was really going on with you at the board anyways?
Nothing. Nothing. No, I wasn't prepared.
If you're not gonna do the work, drop the class.
Why would you? No, Gary, hey, I'm gonna do the work. You'll see.
We'll see.
Yes, we will.
Great.
Superb.
Excellent.
Good.
Mm-hmm. How you feeling today, Teddy?
I'm feeling fine.
What's the capital of Belgium?
Waffles?
What?
Run!
Don't you run from me! What?
You're doing so little.
What is the capital of Belgium?
I don't eat breakfast, I don't know!
That is not the answer!
Pretend you're dead.
Get back here!
Can we just take down the toot?
Dude, really?
No,
You haven't even seen the beginning of this attitude. Wait, say that to me again?
I apologize. That was a poor choice of words. I just mean I need you to show me the respect that you would show your boss.
Because it's your house, right?
Oh, you did the black voice thing with him?
It's not a black voice. In actuality, not a black voice.
No, you do a black voice. You don't remember when you was in that meeting, you was like, we gonna get it lit up in here, this meeting lit.
It was very lit.
You did it at the staff meeting when you were like, I keep it 100.
When have I never kept it 100?
When you added that AP calculus to my class,
All right, agree to disagree. Listen, I hate to break up this pleasure party of delusion, but I have work to do.
Wow.
So if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna do my thing.
That's a black voice.